How's it going, guys? Pokemon Trainer Dylan here. So, as you know, the OP05 English set has finally released. Came out on Friday the 8th of December. I went to a few of my local shops who would have been selling them, but they all sold out during the pre-sale, so everyone pre-ordered all of them. Didn't get a chance to get a hold of them. Was walking around the shop and I thought, bugger it, I'll go have a look at the vending machine at the shopping center. Found some OP06 Japanese sets. So grabbed a handful of those, thought I'd open those up and give them a go. Then on the following day, so the Saturday, my mate was running a card tournament where you would actually get the OP05 booster packs. So you'd get 5 or 6 booster packs for entry, which was $50 entry. The booster packs, then you'd have to run the cards you get in the tournament. Comes with these as promos, so you get the leader Luffy, who pretty much counts as any card. So as you can see, you've got all the colors on him, but you can only use him in designated tournaments. There's 2 in here. It comes with the anime and the live action. Prize, well, not prize, but another thing you get for entering. A handful of other promo cards that I've just been sitting on, haven't opened. Another one from another tournament. So I'll get into these eventually, but first I'll show you the clip of the OP05, and I'll catch you in a minute. yeah, so that was the OPO 5 cards that I managed to get. I had to cut the audio because I was in the card shop and everyone was talking around me. So that's the Luffy I managed to pull, probably one of the better pull, well, probably my best pull of the pack. Quite happy with that one. As you saw, I got a few other decent cards, but nothing super exciting. So now I'll jump into these ones, and then I'll move on to the promo cards that I've got. I don't know why, but the Japanese packs have a lot more room in them for the cards to slide around. One of the fishmen. Can't remember her name from Skypiea. A stage card. Not too sure. Uta from the film. Looks like some Piranha's Ghosts. Oh, that's the last card for that pack. I also do forget that the Japanese cards have about half the amount the English packs do. That's alright. And yeah, you probably noticed I also am not very good with a lot of the characters' names. I recognize a lot of them, but yeah, just couldn't tell you where they're from. I can tell you where they're from, but that's about the extent of it. It's a nice looking Luffy actually, so that'll be coming out in the next set, the OPO 6. So that's the second Vinsmoke we've got too, so it feels like we're going to be getting a bit of a Vinsmoke set. It was... Oh, okay, that's a film card, so that's the bad guy from the film. Or a film. I don't think that's the from One Piece Film Red, I think it's the movie before it. But I could be wrong on that one. And finishing off with Sanji's sister. So that's all for the Japanese packs I got. So I'll move on to the promo cards next. I'll leave those two for last because they've actually got more chance of having different cards in it. These ones are going to be a little bit more boring, so I've mostly got these ones, but there's only 4 cards that I could potentially get, 1 card per pack. Starting off with Sentomaru. So it would be nice to at least get 1 of each, but we'll just see how we go. Nami. I do also think with these, they're existing cards in the set, they're just alternate arts for them, but I could also be wrong about that one. Got Juri Bonnie. Another Sentomaru by the looks of it, yeah. Another Juri Bonnie. Another Nami. And another Nami. So I didn't quite get all the cards, still 1 missing from the packs, the promo set. Unless there's still tournaments running those cards as prizes. Good chance I'm not going to get it, but that's alright. pre-release of the Kingdoms of Intrigue. Got a Dellinger and Charlotte Moscato. Then moving on to Sealed Battle Kit Volume 1, 2 cards per pack. This is just the most recent one I've got. I'm not actually sure what set it's from or anything like that. Alright, we've got the character card of Garp, and then a character Sanji, both blue. Well, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, give a like, comment, subscription, and I'll catch you in the next one.